Imagine you are strolling through a charming Irish village as the afternoon light begins to soften, and you want to offer a friendly greeting to a local. Knowing a few basic phrases in Irish can truly enrich your experience, allowing you to connect on a deeper level with the culture and the people. But how do you say good afternoon or good evening in Irish without stumbling? So, how do Irish people pronounce Tráthnóna Maith? It is pronounced Tráthnóna Maith. That is TRAW for the first part, NO for the second, NUH for the third, and MH for the final word. Hearing it spoken by a native speaker is always the best way to grasp the nuances, but this phonetic guide will get you very close. The pronunciation of Tráthnóna Maith is a wonderful example of how Irish Gaelic sounds work, often differing from what a non-native speaker might expect from the spelling. The word Tráthnóna actually breaks down into 3 distinct syllables. The A acute in Trath gives a long ah sound, similar to the A in father. The O acute in Nona provides a long O sound, like in the word no. The TH combination in Irish is frequently silent or very softly aspirated, almost disappearing, which is why it is not strongly pronounced in Trath. Similarly, in Ma, the TH is also silent, leaving you with just the Ma sound. This unique phonetic structure is what gives Irish its distinctive musicality. To practice this yourself, you can break the phrase into smaller, manageable sounds. Start with tra, then add no, and finally, nu to complete Tráthnóna. Once you are comfortable with that, add ma to the end. Try to keep your tongue relaxed and your mouth open a little wider than you might for English vowels. Many online dictionaries and language learning apps offer audio pronunciations which you can mimic directly. Listen carefully to the rhythm and intonation, and try to replicate it as closely as possible. An interesting tidbit about Irish greetings is their flexibility. While Tráthnóna Maith typically covers both good afternoon and good evening, it is more commonly associated with the late afternoon into the early evening hours. For something later, after dark, you might hear Iha Mhaith, meaning good night. Mastering Tráthnóna Maith is a fantastic step in understanding the subtle beauty of the Irish language and showing respect for the local culture. Embracing these authentic pronunciations, even for just a few phrases, is incredibly rewarding. It is not just about saying the words correctly, but about showing genuine effort to engage with the culture and its people. This small act of cultural appreciation can open doors to warmer interactions and make your experience in Ireland even more memorable, leaving you with a deeper connection to this beautiful country and its welcoming inhabitants.